Let's face it, everyone loves fried chicken, but when it comes to crispy chicken tenders, one name reigns supreme: KFC. Today, we're going on a journey to uncover the mysteries of the KFC crispy tender factory process. From bustling cities to sleepy suburbs, KFC crispy tenders have captured the hearts and stomachs of millions worldwide. The craving for that signature crunch is real, and it's a testament to the power of a well-executed recipe. It all starts with sourcing the finest ingredients, ensuring that only the highest quality chicken makes the cut. Imagine sprawling farms, where plump, healthy chickens are raised to meet KFC's exacting standards. We'll witness firsthand the intricate dance of machinery and human expertise that brings these tenders to life. From massive mixing vats blending the Colonel's secret recipe to high-speed breading lines, every stage is a testament to precision and efficiency. Get ready to see what truly happens behind the Colonel's curtain. It's a journey of flavor and craftsmanship, ensuring every tender is perfect. Our journey begins amidst rolling green pastures. KFC takes pride in its commitment to responsible sourcing, partnering with farms that prioritize the well-being of their flocks. As the chickens reach their prime, they embark on a carefully orchestrated journey from farm to factory. This meticulous attention to detail sets the stage for the creation of a truly exceptional product. Not just any part of the chicken can become a KFC crispy tender. Only the tenderloin, a specific cut of meat from the inner breast, possesses the ideal tenderness and texture for this iconic dish. Skilled workers inspect each piece of meat, ensuring uniformity in size and quality. Once selected, the tenderloins embark on their transformation from raw poultry to crispy perfection. Now we enter the heart of what makes KFC crispy tenders so irresistible: the secret spice blend. 11 herbs and spices, their exact proportions a closely guarded secret, are combined in a precise sequence. The blend is then mixed with buttermilk and other secret ingredients, creating a marinade that infuses the tenderloins with flavor. This marinade is the heart and soul of the KFC crispy tender. It's a blend that has stood the test of time, captivating taste buds for generations. The marinated tenderloins continue their journey on the production line. They enter a massive rotating drum designed to evenly coat each piece of chicken in a blanket of flavor. A fine mist of water is sprayed into the drum, followed by the Colonel's secret breading mix. The drum tumbles gently, ensuring that every nook and cranny of each tenderloin is coated in a uniform layer of seasoned flour. The breaded tenderloins move along the conveyor belt, entering a realm where texture reigns supreme. First, a series of rollers gently presses the breading into the chicken, creating those iconic ridges. Next, the tenderloins pass under blades that create a subtle crosshatch pattern on the surface of the breading. Finally, the tenderloins receive a final dusting of the Colonel's secret blend, locking in flavor and ensuring a crisp, golden brown exterior. The breaded tenderloins approach a towering metal behemoth, the pressure fryer. This isn't your average deep fryer, it's a precision instrument, carefully calibrated to deliver the perfect combination of heat and pressure. The tenderloins take the plunge, disappearing into a swirling vortex of hot oil. The pressure inside the fryer ensures that the oil penetrates the breading evenly, cooking the chicken through without drying it out. The pressure fryer hums with a low rhythmic thrum. Inside its belly, the breaded tenderloins submerged in golden oil dance and bob, surrendering to the embrace of intense heat. The oil, maintained at a precise temperature, ensures that the breading cooks evenly, forming a protective shell around the tender chicken within. As the tenderloins reach the peak of their golden transformation, they're gently lifted from their oily bath, emerging triumphant. The freshly fried tenderloins tumble out of the pressure fryer and onto a conveyor belt. First, a gentle breeze of hot air caresses the tenderloins, whisking away excess oil and ensuring a dry, crispy exterior. Next, a fine mist of a secret seasoning blend descends upon the tenderloins, adding complexity and depth. Finally, under the watchful eyes of trained inspectors, the tenderloins undergo a rigorous visual inspection. The journey from raw chicken to crispy perfection is a testament to precision and care. Before being deemed worthy of the Colonel's name, each batch of tenderloins undergoes rigorous quality control checks. Technicians meticulously measure the temperature, ensuring that every piece is cooked to perfection. Finally, the tenderloins are placed in their iconic buckets, ready to be sealed, shipped, and enjoyed by millions around the world. Emerging from their golden bath, the crispy tenders embark on a crucial cooling down period. A gentle breeze flows over the tenderloins as they glide along the conveyor belt, releasing excess heat gradually. This cooling process ensures that the tenders retain their structural integrity, their crust remaining shatteringly crisp. It's a crucial step in the journey from fryer to bucket, a testament to the science behind the Colonel's culinary magic. The cooled tenders now face a new challenge, maintaining their crunch during storage and transport. KFC has developed a multi-pronged approach to combat the dreaded sog, ensuring that every tender arrives as crispy as the moment it left the fryer. First, the tenders are placed in specially designed containers, engineered to promote airflow and prevent moisture buildup. Finally, KFC implements strict temperature and time controls throughout the storage and transport process, ensuring that the tenders remain at the optimal temperature for crunch preservation. Section 3. Ready for their close-up. The journey from farm to factory culminates in this final, satisfying moment. The crispy tenders, having passed through a gauntlet of culinary challenges, now stand poised for their close-up, ready to meet their adoring public. This is where the magic of branding meets the science of food production, culminating in an experience that transcends mere sustenance. Imagine the iconic KFC bucket, a symbol of comfort food and childhood memories, being filled with these golden nuggets of crispy perfection. The aroma, a symphony of herbs, spices, and fried goodness, wafts through the air, triggering cravings and sparking anticipation. The tenders, arranged artfully in their cardboard chariot, are ready to be whisked away to their final destination, the hands of hungry customers. Whether enjoyed as a quick snack, a family meal, or a late-night indulgence, KFC crispy tenders hold a special place in the hearts and stomachs of millions. This is the culmination of countless hours of work, a testament to the dedication of farmers, factory workers, and culinary innovators. It's a story of precision, passion, and a relentless pursuit of crispy perfection. And it all comes together in that first satisfying bite of a KFC crispy tender. Section 1. The Bucket Brigade. The journey from raw chicken to crispy perfection is nearly complete, but the KFC production line is far from finished. The crispy tenders, having passed their quality control tests with flying colors, are ready for their grand finale. The iconic KFC bucket. Imagine a sea of these buckets, their signature red and white livery gleaming under the factory lights, marching in single file towards their destiny. This is the Bucket Brigade, a testament to KFC's commitment to presentation and efficiency. Each bucket, pristine and ready to be filled, represents a promise of crispy satisfaction. As the buckets advance, robotic arms, guided by a symphony of sensors and algorithms, reach down and gently pluck the cooled, inspected tenders from their holding trays. These mechanical maestros, with their uncanny precision and tireless work ethic, ensure that each bucket receives the perfect amount of crispy goodness. This is a ballet of automation, a testament to the ingenuity of modern food production. The buckets, filled to the brim with their golden treasures, continue their journey, carried along by the relentless march of the conveyor belt towards their final destination, the hungry public. The KFC factory floor is a marvel of modern engineering, a testament to the pursuit of efficiency and precision on a massive scale. Every movement, every action, is carefully choreographed to ensure that the crispy tenders reach their consumers fresh, flavorful, and as quickly as possible. Imagine a network of conveyor belts crisscrossing the factory floor like arteries in a bustling metropolis, carrying the buckets of tenders through a labyrinthine network of packaging machines. These machines, humming with a mechanical symphony, work in perfect harmony, sealing, labeling, and dating each bucket with lightning speed. The air crackles with a sense of urgency, a palpable hum of productivity. Workers, clad in hairnets and gloves, move with practiced efficiency, their movements honed by repetition and a commitment to maintaining the KFC standard. This is a well-oiled machine, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and collaboration. As the final bucket disappears into the maw of the packaging machine, one can't help but marvel at the sheer scale and efficiency of the operation. This is the magic of modern food production, where technology and human expertise combine to deliver a consistently delicious experience to millions around the world. The journey from farm to bucket is complete, but the story of the KFC crispy tender is far from over. It's a tale of dedication, precision, and a commitment to quality that ensures every bite is as delightful as the last. These golden nuggets of fried chicken, now safely ensconced in their iconic buckets, embark on the final leg of their journey, traveling from factory to feast, ready to satisfy cravings and create memories. Each bucket is a promise of flavor, a testament to the meticulous process that brought it to life. Imagine a fleet of refrigerated trucks, their engines rumbling with anticipation, lined up outside the factory, ready to receive their precious cargo. These trucks are more than just vehicles. They are the guardians of freshness, ensuring that every tender reaches its destination in perfect condition. These culinary chariots, equipped with state-of-the-art climate control systems to maintain the perfect temperature, will transport the crispy tenders to their final destinations: KFC restaurants, supermarkets, and homes across the globe. The journey is carefully monitored, with every mile bringing the tenders closer to the moment they will be enjoyed. Inside those restaurants, a familiar scene unfolds. The hustle and bustle of a busy kitchen, the clatter of utensils, and the focused energy of the staff all contribute to the magic of the KFC experience. Workers, clad in red and white stripes, spring into action, filling orders with practiced efficiency. Each movement is a part of a well-rehearsed dance, ensuring that every customer receives their meal hot and fresh. The aroma of fried chicken, a siren song to hungry customers, fills the air, promising a moment of crispy, juicy satisfaction. It's a scent that evokes memories and stirs appetites, drawing people in from all around. And finally, the moment of truth. The culmination of this intricate journey is about to be realized. A customer takes their first bite, the crispy breading giving way to tender, juicy chicken. It's a moment of pure delight, a reward for the journey that began on a farm and traveled through a factory. A smile spreads across their face, a testament to the enduring appeal of the KFC crispy tender. It's a smile that speaks of satisfaction, of cravings fulfilled, and of a culinary promise kept. This is the culmination of a journey that began on a farm, traveled through a factory, and ended in a moment of pure culinary bliss. It's a story of dedication, of passion, and of a commitment to bringing the best possible product to the table. From farm to factory to feast, every step is a part of the KFC legacy. As we've journeyed through the intricate world of the KFC crispy tender factory, we've witnessed firsthand the meticulous processes, the unwavering commitment to quality, and the sheer scale of production that goes into creating this iconic fast food favorite. But beyond the machinery, beyond the conveyor belts and pressure fryers, lies a deeper story. A legacy built on a foundation of flavor, consistency, and a passion for delivering a truly satisfying culinary experience. Colonel Harlan Sanders, the man behind the legend, wasn't just a businessman. He was a culinary craftsman, a tireless innovator who spent years perfecting his secret blend of 11 herbs and spices, a recipe that has captivated taste buds for generations. His dedication to quality, his unwavering belief in his product, and his commitment to providing value to his customers formed the bedrock of the KFC empire. The KFC Crispy Tender Factory, with its intricate processes and unwavering focus on consistency, is a testament to the Colonel's vision. It's a testament to the power of a simple idea, executed flawlessly, to capture the hearts and stomachs of millions around the world. The Colonel's legacy lives on in every crispy, juicy bite, a reminder that success in the food industry isn't just about mass production, it's about passion, dedication, and an unwavering commitment to quality. The journey of KFC from a small kitchen to a global phenomenon is a testament to the power of perseverance and innovation. Each step in the production process, from selecting the finest ingredients to the final quality checks, reflects a deep-rooted tradition of excellence. The workers in the factory are not just employees, they are the custodians of a legacy, ensuring that every piece of chicken meets the high standards set by the Colonel himself. The story of KFC is also a story of community. The brand has become a part of countless family gatherings, celebrations, and everyday meals. It's a brand that brings people together, creating moments of joy and satisfaction. The Colonel's vision was not just to create a product, but to create an experience, one that transcends borders and cultures. As we look to the future, the commitment to quality and innovation remains as strong as ever. The KFC Crispy Tender Factory continues to evolve, embracing new technologies and methods to ensure that the legacy of Colonel Sanders lives on. It's a legacy built on a simple yet powerful idea, that great food, made with care and passion, can bring people together and create lasting memories. So the next time you enjoy a KFC Crispy Tender, remember the journey it has taken, from the factory floor to your plate, and the dedication of countless individuals who make it all possible. It's more than just a meal, it's a piece of history, a testament to the enduring power of quality and passion in the culinary world. The allure of the KFC crispy tender extends beyond its undeniable crunch and juicy flavor. It's about consistency, the comforting knowledge that no matter where you are in the world, no matter which KFC restaurant you walk into, you can count on that same satisfying experience. This consistency, this unwavering commitment to delivering on the brand's promise, is no accident. It's the result of rigorous quality control measures, standardized processes, and a corporate culture that prioritizes consistency above all else. From the sourcing of ingredients to the training of employees, every aspect of the KFC operation is geared towards ensuring that every chicken tender that leaves the factory meets the same exacting standards. This dedication to consistency is a key factor in KFC's enduring success. In a world of ever-changing tastes and fleeting food trends, KFC has remained a constant, a reliable source of crispy, juicy satisfaction. Customers return time and again, not just for the flavor, but for the comfort of knowing exactly what they're going to get, a consistently delicious experience. This is the power of consistency, the ability to build trust and loyalty through a commitment to delivering on a promise, one crispy, juicy bite at a time. From bustling cities to sleepy suburbs, KFC has become a global phenomenon, a brand that has seamlessly integrated itself into the fabric of diverse communities. Its iconic buckets are a ubiquitous sight in countries around the world, symbolizing a universal love for its crispy, flavorful offerings. The appeal of the crispy tender transcends cultural boundaries, uniting people from all walks of life in their love of this simple yet satisfying culinary creation. Whether it's a family gathering, a casual hangout with friends, or a solo indulgence, the crispy tender fits perfectly into any scenario. But what is it about the crispy tender that has captured the hearts and stomachs of millions? Is it the golden, crunchy exterior that promises a delightful crunch with every bite? Perhaps it's the primal satisfaction of biting into a perfectly crisp exterior, a sensation that is both comforting and exhilarating. The contrasting textures of crunchy breading and tender chicken create a symphony of sensations that delights the palate, making each bite a memorable experience. It's a culinary masterpiece that balances flavor and texture, offering a satisfying crunch followed by the juicy tenderness of the chicken. Or maybe it's the comforting familiarity of the flavor, a taste that has remained consistent over the years, evoking a sense of nostalgia and warmth. The Colonel's secret blend of 11 herbs and spices evokes memories of childhood meals and shared experiences, a flavor profile that has stood the test of time. The taste of KFC is a taste of nostalgia, a reminder of simpler times and shared culinary traditions that bring people together. It's a flavor that has been passed down through generations, a culinary legacy that continues to thrive in the modern world. Whatever the reason, there's no denying the enduring appeal of the KFC crispy tender. It's a dish that has managed to capture the essence of comfort food while remaining relevant in a fast-paced, ever-changing world. It's a testament to the power of flavor, the allure of consistency, and the ability of food to bring people together, transcending geographical and cultural boundaries. So next time you find yourself reaching for a bucket of these golden nuggets of fried chicken, take a moment to appreciate the journey they've taken, the legacy they represent, and the simple joy of a perfectly crisp bite. Each tender is a culmination of years of culinary expertise, a blend of tradition and innovation that continues to delight taste buds around the world. From the meticulous preparation in the kitchen to the final delivery to your table, every step is a testament to KFC's commitment to quality and flavor. So savor that bite, relish the crunch, and enjoy the timeless appeal of KFC's crispy tenders, a true culinary icon.